Father Maverick Fernandez, the director of Caritas Goa. Caritas Goa has been reaching out to people on the margins of the society for the past 50 years. Just 1 year ago, we have begun another project called Under Sense India for the children with and adults with deaf blindness. This was a sector within the disability which was not recognized. Our efforts and our interventions have been able to identify these children who were lingering at home. So now we have been able to provide services to the deaf blind. We provide services, home-based services. We also provide services in our center. In fact, our resource room is a pioneering resource room specifically designed for the deaf blind, which we have in Panchim.
Different color also. Now the wind chimes are there, and we have other thing for auditory, for hearing.
Hi, I'm Nasima Banu Sheikh from Mapsa. I'm the parent of Master Ayanullah. He's a 7-year-old sippy child with hearing impaired and vision impaired, and he's studying at school also. And plus, Caritas also handling for him. They are taking care of his, like they are giving nutrition for him, medicine and all that reimbursement they are giving for us, medical treatment also. So they are giving, like they are taking to the pediatrician, speech therapists and all, and giving best things to us for our child to improve. And plus they are giving sending the special educator home visit, that they are special educators are coming at home and working with my child, and they are teaching him the teaching aids and all, how to write his name and all, how to recognize the numbers and the names, addresses and all, and the pictures, things, the colors. Even they are teaching the sign language for my son.
A, good. L, L. Ball.
He's writing his own name independently, with address independently. He's writing 1 to 20. He's writing. He recognizing the alphabets and pictures. A for apple, like that he recognize and all. He's and body parts also he shows. He's quite, my son is quite good. He's very clever, intelligent.
Very good, Ayan.
Really grateful to the Caritas, those who are helping me. Us are very lot of ways they are helping us, and they are really grateful to us. I just want to say about this. That's a great. Thank you very much.
माझे नाव मिथुन केरवणकर, दोनापावल रावता करंजलीन. माझी बेबी आसा, ताका कॉन्जेनिटल रुबेला सिंड्रोम आसा. सो ताका हार्ट ट्रीट केला आनी दोळ्याचें ऑपरेशन जालें तेजें. सो जेन्ना आमकां कॅरिटासाच्यान आमकां तेंच्यांनी सपोर्ट केले, तेमी स्पेशल एज्युकेटर्स आमच्या घरा येयले, आमकां सांगले, म्हायती दिली आमकां बरें. म्हणल्यार ते हे असले डेफ एंड ब्लायंड भुरग्यांक कितें करता, कितें हें करता, तेंच्यांनी आमकां खूब म्हायती दिली. आनी घरा येवन आमकां तेंच्यांनी सांगलें अशें अशें तुमकां आमी सपोर्ट करतले, तुमकां तुमच्या भुरग्यांक फुडें करपाक तेंकां आमचें एज्युकेशन प्लस तेंकां आनी कसलें सपोर्ट बीन हें सगळें आमकां तेंच्यांनी खूब हेल्प केलें. इवन तेजे कानाची इयर मशिनाचेर आमकां तेंच्यांनी शालिमल डॉक्टर शालिमल मल्होत्रा ऑडियोलॉजिस्ट तिच्याकडे व्हरून इवन इयराचो डॉक्टर आसा तेमच्या कडेन व्हरून आमकां थंय व्हरून डॉक्टरा कडेन दाखोवप थंयसर त्या डॉक्टरान तांकां सांगप कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा आमकां जर येवंक मेळना जाल्यार आमकां स्पेशली फोर्स करून आमकां थंय आपोवप तेमी ना जाल्यार आमी ना जाल्यार अवेलेबल आमकां वचूंक नाजाल्यार तेमी घेवन वचप ते आमच्या भुरग्यांक इतले सपोर्ट करता.
माझे नाव प्रतिभा लाडू मांद्रेकर. हांव एक अंगणवाडी टिचर आसा आनी म्हाजे चल्याचें नांव आसा कृपेश मांद्रेकर. ताका विजनाचो एक प्रॉब्लेम आसा, इयरिंगचो एक प्रॉब्लेम आसा आनी फिजिकल डेव्हलपमेंट आनी CP म्हाजो चलो आसा तो CP आसा. कालिदास ही संस्था आहा ती म्हज्या चल्या बद्दल न्यूट्रिशनाचेर मेडिकलाचेर आनी फिजिओथेरपी ही तिका दिता आनी जे एडिकल फेस आसा पळय तो ADL फायन मोटर आनी इटिंग हे शिकयता ताका. मागीर ते बॅलन्सिंग कशें करपाचें तेच्या बद्दल तो सांगता ताका शिकयता.
गेलो लवकर ओढ जोरात गुड बॉय गुड बॉय गुड बॉय ओढ जोरात व्हेरी गुड.
कांयच करिनासलो. आतां तो असो कोण येयल्यार भिया बी ना असो म्हणजे बसता आपुणूच सपटीचेर बसूंक सोदता. मागीर कितें काडून अशें दिवंक बी वस्तू दिता अशें
चल चल गुड बॉय गुड बॉय.
खूब असो सुद्दां तेच्या भितर असो म्हणजे पयलीं आसलो तेच्या भितर खूब इम्प्रुवमेंट जालो की म्हाका सुद्दां असो फुड्यान भियातालो कोण येतकच बी असो. आतां तो हांव नासतना सुद्दां तो ते सरा बद्दल बसता आनी तो खूब तेच्या बरोबर खेळटा बी सामको आनी असो बरो प्रफुल्लीत आनंदीत आसता.
Sudhakar Illa is a 22-year-old. He is totally blind and has bilateral moderate sensory neural hearing loss. For the past 7 years, he has been just sitting at home with nothing to do. Hope was lost for him. The team of field and special educators at Caritas work very hard and travel great distances to reach Sudhakar. After our intervention, we have been trying to get him involved in house chores like folding clothes, cleaning and cutting vegetables. We have also been encouraging him to speak out and engage in conversations. We have taught him to make paper bags, which could help him earn a living by later selling what he has done. He has also been taught to get involved in other activities like shopping, cooking, and washing dishes. His shopping activity includes taking money from his parents, going to the shop, buying the items, paying for them, accounting and checking the change, coming back home, clearing accounts with his mother, sorting the items bought, putting them into their places, cooking something like a Maggi or an omelette, eating it, washing the dishes and drying them, and cleaning the place. We do these activities with him so that he becomes independent and confident, learns the money concept and counting, learns to identify different textures and sorts the items through touch, learns basic cooking like cutting of onions, chilies and other basic ingredients and their basic procedures. We also make sure he eats in front of us as he does not like to eat and eats very little. As a result, he is also underweight. This also introduces him to new flavors, tastes and textures. We later get him to wash the dishes, clean the place and put the waste into the bin. Nash D'Souza is 10 years old. He is totally blind and has no significant hearing loss. He comes to our resource room and sensory room thrice a week. Shekhar Patil, his special educator, works with him there. When Nash first came to us, he was a very hyperactive child who would not sit in one place for a single moment. He would be always running about and talking to himself. His daily activities at the resource and sensory room include exercise on the ball, number counting, practicing alphabets from A to Z, singing,
Twinkle, little star, wonder what you are.
communication, where we dialogue with him, get him to move around through verbal instructions to improve his mobility. This also helps him to follow instructions. He is given different tastes and smells used in his daily life, like sugar, salt, hing, face powder, tamarind, jeera, mint, honey, etc. Nash can now count from 1 to 50 on his own, knows his alphabets from A to Z, moves about following basic verbal instructions, knows about 6 to 7 tastes and smells, sings songs when given a lead, and the biggest achievement of all is that he can sit in one place for almost 45 minutes. Ugam Kalikar suffers from hearing impairment, low vision and epilepsy. The 11-year-old lives with his family deep within the rural outskirts of Sange. Like many of our parents, Ugam's mother is a very dedicated and caring parent. After she finishes her household chores, she gets Ugam ready for school at 7 a.m. every day. She makes a long, perilous journey to reach the main road to catch a bus to take Ugam to school. This is a daily routine for Ugam and his mother, making their way through thick forests, treading down steep slopes, crossing over streams, and walking through fields.
Deaf blindness is a sector within the disability which was not recognized, as I said earlier, and now there is growing awareness and consequent intervention that is taking place. We are grateful to these international partners who are enabling us to do this work in the state of Goa.